What's the first thing you do when you settle down for work in the morning? If you're like millions of other people, it's probably checking your email. The trouble is, inboxes can quickly become unmanageable, leaving you feeling like you're spending more time looking at messages than actually doing your job. Focused Inbox is a great feature that comes with Microsoft Office 365, and it puts you back in control of your email. The intelligent software learns from the people and subjects you interact with the most, moving important messages into your Focused tab. You'll have one consistent view of high priority messages available on all devices, and all the other emails safely sit in your Other tab, waiting for you to deal with them after the important work has been done. So you can spend less time looking for things you should be doing and more time actually doing them. This is one of hundreds of Office 365 productivity hacks we help our clients with. How can we help you? Contact us today.